how to turn off screenshots on my live on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off screenshots on my live on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner and then click settings, and now just click privacy, and here you will find this one. All you need to do is just click on it if you want to turn it off, and that's it. It's easy, of course, and you can turn it on again if you want, of course, just by one click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.